Hello, gentlemen investors and traders. With you information and analytical service System.GURU.Markets. Let's start with general data about the company. A little further, we will study each parameter in more detail. If necessary, it is possible to stop the video. You can look at each indicator of the corporation being studied in detail. Now we will look at the company's current performance indicators. The Walt Disney Company, ticker DIS. This review was created using information as of August 5, 2025. By classification Guru.Markets organization, the Walt Disney Company belongs to the subcategory Creation. 25 companies are participating in the assessment. The overall result for the company is 5.5 out of 10 points. Average score for the subcategory, 1.9 points. If you look at it broadly, within the framework of the stock market in general, you can see that the average rating for the US stock market as a whole is 1.7 points, against a score of 5.5 for Walt Disney Company. Comparing the dynamics of the company's stock price Walt Disney Co. and subcategory companies, we see that over 12 months the shares the Walt Disney Company showed a dynamics of 27.4%. Against the price dynamics in the subcategory 64.7%. Market capitalization of the company, the Walt Disney Company, amounts to $214.52 billion. And the capitalization of the subcategory is $784 billion. The company's book value is estimated at $104.26 billion. And the capitalization of the subcategory is $141 billion. Comparing the shares of market and book value, we see the following. Occupied share Walt Disney Co. in the subcategory in case of market capitalization assessment is 27.349%. Book value capitalization is 74.182%. Assessment of the company's share of market and balance sheet capitalization of the subcategory, good, 1 point. The financial liabilities of the organization under analysis amount to $42.738 billion. Debt to book value is 41% of equity. Company debt level rating, good, 1 point. The company's market value to profit ratio is 24.1, with an average for the subcategory of 39.2. Evaluation of the company's market value to profit ratio in comparison with companies in the subcategory, good, 1 point. Profit for the last 12 months was $8,908 million. The projected profit for the next 12 months is expected to be $11,498 million. Assessment of the expected future profit indicator in comparison with companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The ratio of the company's value to revenue is 2.3. The average in the subcategory is 4.8. Evaluation of market value to revenue ratios in comparison with the companies in the subcategory, good, 1 point. Revenue for the last 12 months was $93.58 billion. The projected revenue for the next 12 months is expected to be $114,660 million. Assessment of the expected future sales figures in comparison with the figures in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The sales margin is 9.5%, with an average for the subcategory of 12.1%. Evaluation of sales profitability in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The company's share in the number of employees in the subcategory is 68.37%. This is 150% more than the market capitalization share. The amount of market capital per employee of the company is equal to $921,000. And in the subcategory, there are $2,300 and $2,000. Assessment of the volume of market capital per employee compared to the indicators in the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. The company's profit per employee is $38,200. Subcategory average, $58,700. Evaluation of profit per individual employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory. Passable, 0 points. The company's revenue per employee is $402,000. Subcategory, $484,000. Evaluation of sales volume per individual employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory. Passable, 0 points. Shares for sale account for 1.2%, with an average for the subcategory of 2%. Technical indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 49% for the company Walt Disney Company, whereas in the subcategory this level is 43%. The company's current share price is approximately $119. The consensus price estimate for the company's shares is approximately $135. Let's look at the table of orders, which is available. A link to it is in the pinned comment. The order table contains absolutely all decisions previously made this season by the information and reference system, Guru.Markets. Access to the order table is free and open. Link in the pinned comment. As a result of the stock analysis, the Walt Disney Company information and reference system of assessment Guru.Markets, a decision is made. Do not open the deal, as the current video is an overview. Thank you all for watching this video and for using the information and reference system from Guru.Markets.